everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to teach class 4 English. Chapter name is Neha's Alarm Clocks. Question and answer. This is your Lokesh sir. So class 4 English subject and chapter name is Neha's Alarm Clock. First question is today's first question is if there is no clock in the house to wake up in the morning, how will you wake up? Will you continue to sleep or answer? No, I will wake up the sound of chirping of birds, bell of a temple, or due to the light or bright sun that will be spread in my room in the morning. Next question. What are the different ways of knowing the time during the day? Answer. There are many ways to know the time. For example, listening to the radio or television, asking someone who knows, by judging the intensity of sunlight. Next question. This is word building. Find the hidden words mother, birds, clock, alarm, happy, morning, holiday, hungry, Sunday. So one mother is done by me. Next you will try to write the answer and mark in the box. Next answer is there. You have to first mark in the box, then you will check your answer is correct or wrong. Next question. Say aloud. You will try to repeat after me. Ought, bought, caught, matter, chatter, shatter, tick tock, tell, told, train, time, tick, take, tip, tin, take, tall. Next, let us write who said these words and to whom. Here, who said to whom? First is wake up dear, wake up fast. Ma, who woke up me up today? Why do you sleep at 9 every night? Just you have to think and you will try to write the answer. Answer is next. Yes, who said to whom? Wake up dear, wake up fast. Birds says to Neha. Next, Ma. Who woke up me up today? Who said Neha? To whom? To mother. Why do you sleep at 9 every night? Who said mother? To whom? Neha. Next question. Use the help box to fill in the blanks. Help box we have two words was and were. Where we are using was and where we are using were. We will see here. Yes, this is a girls. We are using words of was with singular person name he, she, it. Otherwise, we will check subject. If subject is singular means we have to use was. Next, yes, were. We are using were with plural person means two or more names we, they, you. We will use the words of were. Next, answer is there. Fill in the blanks. Ram dash a good football player. We will see the subject. What is the subject in this sentence? Yes, Ram. Ram is singular, so we are using here was. Ram was a good foot player. Good football player. The cows days grazing in the field. So cows here subject, and this name is a plural. So we are using here were. My toys dash broken. Here subject is toys and this word is plural, so we are using here were. Her frock dash too long. Why we are using here was? Because correct, frock is a singular word. Next, the market dash closed. So answer is the market was closed. The children dash happy. Children is singular word or plural word? Plural words. Yes, correct. It is a plural words. So we are using here were. The children were happy. The flowers dash kept in a vase. So flowers word is here singular or plural? Yes, plural, because we are using here as. Okay, so answer is the flowers were kept in a vase. Next, look at the picture below and complete the following paragraph. You will need these words. Word is pull out, inside, called out, behind, under. So we will see next. Yes, I yes. Yesterday I lost a book. I looked for it everywhere. Then I looked. Yes, I looked behind the door. I looked behind the door. Next, I looked inside a cupboard. Next, I looked under a bed. Next, I could not find it anywhere. Then I called out Seru. He pulled out another book from my bags. Yes. Next, the question is complete the following paragraph. Just we are use that words and we can make a one paragraph. Just I am reading. You also repeat after me. Yesterday I lost a book. I looked for it everywhere. I looked behind the door. I looked inside a cupboard. I looked under a bed. I could not find it anywhere. Then I called out Sheru. Sheru, my dog, came running to me. I asked him to look for my book. He pulled out another book from my bag. Next question. Fun time. Here is a word clock. Write down words relating to clock. See, in middle clock is there. So what is the sound of clock? Another words, pictures, words in your language. Name the different parts of or times. Then make a sentence. So we will see the answer. Yes, clock. Clock sound is tick tock. And another name, another word is time. Clock here pictures. You can draw here clock picture. Then word in your language. In Hindi language we have to call ghadi. Next, name different parts or times. Dial, heart, hand, face, second hand, like this. Then make a sentence. The alarm clock wakes me up in the morning. Okay, you will do this activity. Next question. Here is a word morning. Now write down words related to it. This is morning in middle. You can write the words related to it. Just we will see the answer. First you can think and write here. Then you will check the answer. Yes, morning. Morning we see from in the morning sunrise, birds, sun, dawn, daylight, daytime. Thanks for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day. Thank you everyone.